how to pick the right digital kit for you. One of the biggest reasons people never get started is because they can't decide what to focus on. If you want to start an online business but feel stuck bouncing between ideas, this video is for you. In this video, we break down a simple, fast way to pick the right digital kit without overthinking or second-guessing yourself. You don't need the perfect idea. You need one clear choice you can commit to long enough to build momentum. You'll learn how to identify topics you already enjoy and have experience with, match a digital kit to a real problem people are actively talking about, commit to one kit for a full month instead of constantly switching directions. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel overwhelmed by options or worried about choosing the wrong thing. Progress doesn't come from endless comparison. It comes from focused effort over time. When you stop bouncing between ideas and commit to one path, everything gets easier. Learning, creating content, and showing up consistently. The start now, not later. Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed to help you choose, plan, and execute around one digital kit at a time. It gives you structure so you can stop spinning and start building, especially if you're working with resale rights. Digital kits as a shortcut instead of starting from scratch.